top of this.
Woo, we're on.
What is it? What do we have?
Okay, I think I got a big one. Dude, I'm getting dumped. No, fuck, all right.
Get the net, Kevin.
There they are, Dad.
Yep, hold on.
Oh, this is... Dad, this is a good one.
Is it? Hold on.
Dude, this is a good one. I might need your help just for...
Get 'em. Hold on. Oh, you know what? Here, Kevin, I'm gonna get the... Just leave that. I'm gonna get the... Yeah.
Yeah, gaff the frickin' thing. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Hold up. That's why. Get him. Nope. There you go.
Give me those pliers out of the thing.
Nice.
Pull them out. And
I'll get the white bag. You don't even gotta bleed them. I want the blood in them. We got a nice thing of fish in here. Get 2 more of these and I'll be set. Nice, fish in the bag. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep reeling fast.
stand up marlin fishing in the Gulf of Mexico. Hold on. Dip that thing. Still on the boat? Yeah.
Yep. Over the...
Okay.
Yep, I got you.
He's not ready yet.
Oh no, he's gonna see the boat in about 5 seconds.
As soon as jet spirals. Right.
Yeah. Oh, gaff that thing. Gaff him. Nick, you got a bigger one than me. Nice. All right, let's get Kevin hooked up on one. If you need to cut it, I got... Oh no, don't cut it. They like that way. Got a Bonita, guys. Coming up on it. I know, I can't reach that. Someone's about to get effed up. Kevin?
And we're on.
Just keep that line tight. Keep that line tight. Pump and reel. No. Let me see.
Watch out. What the hell are we at? SeaWorld? Good.
I didn't know.
Another person in the bird. Kevin, you're gonna just hold this nice and pump, real short pumps. There.
Kevin,
Hold it straight up. There you go.
pump and reel.
Let him run. No, let him run.
Let him run.
He's gonna do what he's got to do.
He knows he's hooked.
There you go. Nice and easy. Pump. Do not get any slack.
Yeah,
in that
don't get
line.
slack in that line. That's how the hook's gonna pull.
Reel.
Oh no, there he is.
He's on, trust me.
He's back on.
One more. I want to stock.
This is just too much fun.
Yeah, I want to stock up on Bonita. If Dad's gonna let me use his cooler, I can't beat that.
Where'd you go?
He's on. He's charging towards the boat. Yeah.
Can't even see the line.
Dad can throw his thing probably. Now, but if I tell you to dip it, dip it, dip it.
No, he doesn't have to.
Yeah, he does. Oh, Dad's gonna get.
I can't get him any closer.
I real right there. No, let some line out. Let some line here. I got you from here. I got you.
Oh look, he's all happy now. He thinks he's fucking getting away.
Gaff him.
I'll throw the fucker in.
Here, I'll hold him. You
No, I
got
got you. Watch this.
got him.
Come on, Nick, gaff him. Nope.
Can't fucking
Now.
see.
There we go.
Yeah.
Another one in.
I put him down. Just leave this bag open.
Yeah. Leave it closed. Watch yours. Okay. You gotta like it. You gotta help me here. Get it.
I don't know. Hold this.
Like grip.
You're good.
I got
There
this.
you go.
Oh yeah.
Everywhere.
There he is.
Oh, you went back for it.
He's still coming after it. Look at it.
Yeah.
There he is.
There he is.
When they go, they go.
Oh, these things are like mini blackfin tuna. They're in the tuna family.
Imagine one 980 pounds.
Oh, it just pulled. Nope, no, it didn't.
What are these weighing?
10,
2 pounds.
2 pounds, 10.
We got a little more than that. Look at that. Yeah.
You get all your line back and it's like, F you.
Yeah, exactly.
On a 130, you are wee. And it ain't one of these. This is what you use for bait.
Yeah. Dad, I'm gonna put a popper on yours.
No, just keep doing what you're doing.
All right,
This is good. Well, maybe one more and then we're out of here.
2 more.
What I do is I take these poppers and I put single hooks on them.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
what I'm
don't
gonna do.
have to deal with those, but then again, I mean, you know.
Like this. What's that?
Huh?
Will that do it too?
Yeah, if you yank it really hard. Oh, that's a nice one. A lot of times they hide the gaff so they don't see it on the big ones. That's a nice one. Hold on.
I'll unhook them. My bad.
Still has air in there, BC.
No, that's the dive tank.
Oh, right here.
Oh no, watch this.
Big, man. Any direction you look, you
Put it right back there around.
anything new with that?
Coming up on another pod, guys. Kevin, come up here.
There he is.
Watch this. He's already attacked it. Nope. There he is.
Oh,
Oh, I see that one. Give it to Kevin.
Kevin. Real tight.
and there he goes.
Slammer getting put to work. Pumping real short pumps. Up, down, yep, up, there you go. Because you're gonna tire the fish out like that.
Towards us? Is that why I'm getting all of this?
What was that?
Is he coming towards us? And that's
Well,
when-
if the line starts getting real slack, that means he's charging towards you. But once he sees the boat, he's gonna take off. When I tell you to stop reeling, stop reeling.
on the boat.
Dip the pole. There you go.
There he is.
All right. That's a good one. All right, stop reeling.
Oh, he left again.
Too much in.
Lots of.
Yeah, open your bail.
Open your bail. Open your bail.
Open your bail.
Oh, great. Jeez.
Got a wrap back there?
All right, zip that up.
That bail's open.
Yeah. Pick up that
All right, I want to go do that big pod, then I'm done.
Here, you need to get up.
Man, that fucker was bleeding.
Bean bag to the other side.
All right, guys, we're coming up on another pod. This is gonna be the last one. Then we're gonna start heading in. Well, nice knowing you.
That barely hit the water.
Oh. One was chasing it, I seen. Oh, got another one. Dad, I want to hook you up on one.
I'm good.
All right. Oh, hold up. I got to catch another one.
Gotta clear out the hurry. Oh, I see him nail it. Yes, they are. And they know as storms people are filling out, they're gorging themselves.
Yeah, of course.
But Ben never leaves the pole. Right. Never. When you went down from that's when you will lose the fish. Right.
It's a good one. I'm trying. Got him in.